Dietary fats. Introduction. Are there foods that contain only unsaturated fat? Select yes or no. Correct. All foods contain saturated and unsaturated fat. The label of fat receives depends on the type of fat that makes up the majority. If you do not get enough calories from fat in your diet, you may feel tired and sluggish. Select true or false. Correct. Fats contain calories, which are a type of fuel for the body. Eating the right kinds of fats gives your body the energy it needs to be active. In general, which type of fat is healthier for you? Choose one of the following options. 1. Unsaturated fat. 2. Saturated fat. Correct. Types of unsaturated fats include monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. A diet that is balanced and includes the recommended amounts of these fats can help prevent heart disease and stroke. Which of the following may contain trans fat? Choose one of the following options. 1. Packaged crackers. 2. Donuts. 3. Margarine. 4. All of the above. Correct. As you get older, you need fewer calories from fats. Select true or false. Correct. As you age, you need fewer calories from fats. Thank you for using Explain.